Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, I am honored to guide you through a gentle yoga practice designed to help you unwind and drift into a deep, restorative sleep. If you've been tossing and turning, this 20-pose sequence is your ticket to a peaceful night. So, slip into something comfy, dim the lights, and let's begin. We'll start with the legs up the wall pose. Simply lie on your back and extend your legs up against a wall. This simple inversion is fantastic for calming your nervous system. Stay here for about 5 minutes, just breathing. Next, let's melt into child's pose, releasing the day's tension from your spine and shoulders. Then, we open our hips in reclining bound angle pose. Do not forget to use pillows for extra support and comfort. From there, a standing forward fold will lengthen your hamstrings, followed by a supine spinal twist to gently massage your back. Now, let's move into a seated forward bend to soothe the mind and a reclined hero pose to open the chest for deeper breaths. The gentle flow of cat-cow will release any lingering spinal tension. Feeling playful? Let's try happy baby pose to ease the lower back. Then, we'll transition into a reclined pigeon pose to release tight hips. Let's continue with a supported bridge pose, opening our hearts and improving circulation. A reclining twist with support will ground you, while the knees to chest pose feels like a warm hug for your back. Find stillness in an easy pose with a forward fold, and then open your chest with a supported fish pose. Gently stretch your inner thighs in a reclined wide leg pose and release your sides with a seated stretch. We'll find deep restoration in a reclining butterfly with support. To finish, let's do some gentle neck stretches while lying down, releasing any final tension. And finally, the corpse pose. Allow your body to become heavy, your breath to be soft, and your mind to be still. Let go completely and prepare for a night of blissful sleep. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this flow, please like this video and subscribe for more wellness content. Sweet dreams. Find your sleeping supplement in the link below.